So Christian, we're on your booth here at A&B 2018, the Mega Microchuck. The clue's in the name, but what is it?
The Mega Microchuck, it's our collet chuck system, and the Mega 3S, it's in our family from the Mega Microchuck, the smallest tool holder worldwide. We are using for this kind of a tool holder our collet system. The 3S system is the smallest collet for this system. And our new product for the Microchuck family is the Microchuck nut for cooling supply. This is important that the chips on the cutting tool are blown away by the cooling water when you have drilling operation, milling operation. And the Microchuck system, you can see here also the extension is important to have a small system for kind of this application here when you want to make some holes or some milling operation in the
it's a long way down there, right at the bottom.
Yes, and then you need a small diameter outside and a long tool holder to make here a milling operation, right?
Sure, so straight away I'm thinking dental, maybe medical. We're looking for small components.
Right, one of our important customers is dental industry and also the medical industry, where the customer are using this Microchuck system from us.
Sure. Maybe watches as well? Maybe watches?
Yeah, maybe watches. This is the part in Switzerland. And yes, they are using also the Microchuck as well as our small boring heads.
And these are small, and cutting tools are small. They need to get up to a lot of RPM. So are these balanced?
Yes, they are fine balanced, up to 40,000 RPM, depending on the length of the tool holder. As shorter, as higher the RPM, as longer the length, then you need to do the fine balancing. But all the tool holders are fine balanced. Less than 1 gram millimeter.